Release the Kraken!
Welcome back, fellow game designers. Ron here at Lame Duck Studios. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the, we're going to do the arms and the, we'll see if we can do the hands. The hands might take a minute, but let's go ahead and do the arms. The arm is going to be pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and go back to edge mode. And I'm going to go around the hands in this case. So I'm going to select this edge, hold shift, double click. Hopefully that gets me all the way around my hand. In my case it did. If it did not for you, you have a little bit extra work to do. Make sure you go around and get all the edges around the hand. I'm going to do that hand. I'm going to come into the other side. I don't need my references. Let me go ahead and turn those off. Okay, and then this hand here, go ahead and select that one, hold shift, double click, and it looks like it went all the way around. And as a just in case, I hit 4 to see if it stopped. Okay, it looks like mine did stop. I'm going to press F to frame up here. Because of how I put the hand, it's just like in a really weird spot. Since I can't reach into there, you get the back of the hand here. There we go, got that one and that one. Took a little bit of looking to kind of find those because they were buried, but that's those two. And then on this one, where are you? That one and that one. Looks like I got them. Alright, go back to UVs. Cut. If I got them all, they should separate. So UV mode, I'll double click on the arm, pull that off. If it doesn't separate, that means you didn't get them all. So make sure you go ahead and get them all. So those two. Now for the sleeve, that's actually pretty easy. Let's go back into, go back to object mode, edge mode. And for the sleeve, I'm going to go up the underarm because it's the most natural place to put a sleeve, or a cut on the sleeve. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Now again, I can't double click here because it'll go all the way through. So I'm just going to have to go and work it manually. And I'm just going along the center of the sleeve. Okay, so I got that. Let's go ahead and do a cut. And we'll select the sleeve. And do an unfold. Hey, got the other one. Do an unfold. Hey, look at that. Pretty simple. The hand is where it's going to get kind of tricky. Let's go back to edge mode. Now you can do this a few different ways. You could cut each finger off and then split them along the edges here. Or you can do sort of like a butterfly with the hand. I think I'm going to do the butterfly approach just because I want to keep it quick. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to select this edge, hold shift, double click. That's going to go all the way through my model. You can see that went all the way through. Okay, not what I want. But it's alright because we happen to have these UVs selected in here. And let's make this even simpler. Let's go to UV mode real quick. I'm going to move these sleeves off. Actually, I'm going to move the hands to their own spot. Why move everything else, right? Let's go back to edge mode. And what's kind of nice is it retains the last thing we selected, which is that. So I'm just going to deselect the rest of this by holding down Control. I'm going to drag a selection box over the stuff that I don't want, which is the body. And you can see all of that deselected, but I still have my hands selected. Okay. Go over to cut, and that's going to split the hands top and bottom. So I double click, I got my top, or sorry, go to UVs, and then double click to get the top. We got the bottom, top, and bottom. Okay, go ahead and unfold, unfold, and then the bottom ones will unfold those, unfold. And you can see how it kind of opens up, it's like a little butterfly. Now what we usually do to make it a true butterfly would be to sew the two halves of the hands together, but I'm not really worried about that. But these are good, those are all by themselves. Let's go ahead and save this, and I'll pick it up in the next one.